All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, and this is Man Over Market. And today is May 7th. All right, big range overnight, 2,000 points. Taking a look at this day chart, here's a trend line I've drawn from the bottom. And basically, we've got a lot of resistance right here at 82 up, up through 90. We're bound below this. Here's this trend line I drew from these bottoms. We violated it yesterday. Then we rallied back up, but now we're testing it once again. So yesterday I thought I really like to see the market go down to 20 half, and we made a low yesterday of 57 overnight, big range overnight. So here's our day pivot. Has also been in a sell, and well, I mean this is day and overnight. If I switch this chart to a day only, the pivot's down at 54, down at 54. So we're working on our 1, 2, 3 lower closes, and you know that's the, every rally overnight they ended up selling and defending those areas higher. Once again, here's the 4-hour chart. It's in a sell. We got some descending on the Keltner channels. Yesterday we talked about if it got up to that 90, 93 area, it'd be a good area to sell. If you take a look at yesterday's high there, or that high, and it was 2093.75. So it's hanging in the oversold area. But remember, this market could go down to 2050 and still be in the oversold. That's the problem with these indicators. It's warning you it's oversold, but doesn't mean that it's going to turn on a dime. So you got to be careful with that. All right. Um, we've got a poor high here. I mean, this is incomplete as far as I'm concerned, and that's the high in the Globex, which is 2077 half. And then we've got another unfinished low at 2057. Plus, we got single prints all the way down to 2049. So that still has to be filled in. Um, Based on profile, it looks like it's going to move lower and fill in these areas. We got poor structure down here. So they're going to get a two-sided trade this morning. And then yesterday we have, this big selling tail from the opening up to 2093, up to some 2084 to up to 2093. Um, you know, uh, as far as I'm concerned, we got to take a look at, the action we get today and take it. I think we're going to get um, some more selling. I'd like to see it take down to the 2050 area. Uh, and then, going into tomorrow, you're probably going to get some consolidation and so on. So um, just got to be kind of nimble. Stay with us on Twitter. Right now, the sisters are you got the Dow, the Russell are above the 5 minute pivot, and the Nasdaq's below it. I'll give you the outlook on the wrap up when I go back. Just taking a look at gold. Um, Gold is now trading down $10. It's underneath our bull bear zone, which is 1182.20. It failed to get back inside value at 1188.70. Point of control 1189.70, and then 1193. I think gold is on its way down, making a slide here over the last several days. Um, so keep your eye on that 1182.20 if you're trading gold. Okay. Um, the bonds, they continue their slide overnight and now getting a little bit of a recovery. Bonds go down and make a low of 153. Trying to get back inside value right here at the morning. So you got the bull bear zone at 153.22. We got the daily pivot at 154.23, low 154.11, and then the point of control at 155.21. So keep your eye on this area right here. Bonds continue their slide, and overnight the euro bonds and the Bund rallied. So we got a little selling in ours. All right, oil continuing its move up. We got 60.64 as the bull bear zone. It's getting back inside value, which is 60.82, 60.93, and then the high of value is 62. So, keep inching its way back up. It's unchanged right now, and keep an eye on that 60-64 is your bull bear zone today. Okay. All right. Back to SPOOs. Let's do a wrap up here. I think we're going to get a two-sided trade, favoring the short side this morning, and I'd be a seller of rallies unless we could take that 82, 83 area out. All right. Top of value 81.75. Okay. And then we've got the bull bears zone at 74 half, 2068.75. We filled these single prints yesterday. I'm going to remove those. Let's remove that drawing. They're gone. All right. Right here. So starting at 2060, we've gone down to 2070, and we've got them all the way down to 2049 half. As you can see here in the pink area right there. So that's where those single prints stop. All right. Yesterday's middle, as you can see, once we got through it, we had our rally, and then once we got through it last night, came back down through it. It went and made the lows right in here. Couldn't stay in it, and went and made the lows down back here. So we're rallying back to it right now. All right. So be a seller of rallies, looking for the market to go to the 20 half area, give us some better looking structure down there and fill in. When you take a look at the here we are now. We're trading below. This is the profile based on day only action, and you can see now we're putting more volume in here. Okay, we're trading behind the value area value area low for the 20-day value area low, which is 2082 area, and we rejected it last night. So keep an eye on this area right here because that's what we're going to have to take out to get back in a bullish mode. All right, Louis Porcelino. Follow us on Top Step. Follow us on Twitter. We'll be on Top Step at 8 o'clock. Everybody have a good day trading and stay with us. Talk to you later. Wait, one last thing. Our 5-minute pivot, where we're at. Sorry. 5-minute pivot. All right, we're trading above it right now. Look at the 2066 half area. 2066 half. We got the Russell trading above it, the NASDAQ trading below, and the Dow trading below or above it. We'll get out the levels on the Dow pivots and the S&P pivots, so stay tuned and follow that on Twitter. All right, everybody, have a good day trading. Bye.